Did you know that the Dominican Republic is a powerhouse in the global chocolate market? Despite its small size, this Caribbean nation is one of the world's top producers of organic cacao, supplying a significant portion of the cacao used in high-quality chocolate. With its rich soil and ideal climate, the Dominican Republic's cacao farms play a crucial role in creating some of the finest chocolate enjoyed worldwide. The journey of cacao from plantation to chocolate bar is a fascinating process that involves several stages, each crucial in developing the rich flavors we associate with chocolate. Cultivation and harvesting. Cacao trees are typically grown in tropical regions, such as the Dominican Republic, where the climate and soil conditions are ideal. The trees produce pods, each containing 20 to 50 cacao beans. These pods are carefully harvested by hand when they ripen, usually after 5 to 6 months. Fermentation. Once the pods are opened, the beans are scooped out and left to ferment for several days, usually between 5 to 7 days. During this time, the pulp surrounding the beans breaks down, and the beans undergo a series of chemical changes that develop their complex flavor profile. Fermentation is crucial as it directly impacts the taste of the final chocolate, contributing to the development of fruity, nutty, or floral notes. Drying. After fermentation, the beans are spread out under the sun to dry. This stage typically lasts 1 to 2 weeks depending on weather conditions. Drying reduces the moisture content in the beans, which is necessary to prevent mold and prepare them for the next stage of processing. Proper drying is essential for preserving the beans' flavor and ensuring they don't develop off tastes. Roasting. The dried cacao beans are then roasted, a process that brings out the deep, rich flavors associated with chocolate. The temperature and duration of roasting are carefully controlled, as these factors influence the final taste. Lighter roasts may highlight fruity or acidic notes, while darker roasts emphasize bitterness and depth.
And inside is the chocolate bean. This one? Yeah, it's hard to take it out. And we save the husk to make tea. Have you heard about chocolate tea?
No. Chocolate tea, do you?
Yeah, we make chocolate tea.
Really?
With the shell, the husk, the meat.
Where do they sell this chocolate tea?
Here we sell some chocolate tea. And we serve the chocolate. And
Oh, sorry.
that's
Thank you.
it's like dark chocolate.
Oh, okay.
Smells like that.
Once roasted, the beans are cracked and ground into a paste known as cacao liquor, which contains both cocoa solids and cocoa butter. Depending on the desired chocolate type, some or all of the cocoa butter may be separated out. The remaining solids are then further processed to create cocoa powder or mixed with additional ingredients like sugar and milk to form chocolate.
sweeter, lower, sweeter.
The chocolate is then refined through a process called conching, where it is continuously mixed and aerated to smooth out the texture and develop the flavor further. After conching, the chocolate is tempered, a process of heating and cooling that stabilizes the chocolate structure, giving it a glossy finish and a satisfying snap when broken. Finally, the tempered chocolate is poured into molds to create bars or other shapes. After cooling and hardening, the chocolate is packaged and ready to be distributed, bringing the flavors of cacao from tropical plantations to consumers around the world. Each step in the cacao life cycle, from the careful cultivation of the beans to the precise art of chocolate making, contributes to the complex and beloved flavor of chocolate. Here are some products made from cacao and chocolate. Cocoa powder, finely ground cocoa solids used in baking, beverages, and desserts. Cocoa butter, the natural fat extracted from cacao beans used in chocolate making, cosmetics, and skincare products. Dark chocolate, chocolate with a high percentage of cocoa solids, known for its rich, intense flavor. Milk chocolate, chocolate made with cocoa solids, cocoa butter, sugar, and milk powder, offering a sweeter, creamier taste. White chocolate, made from cocoa butter, sugar, and milk solids, but no cocoa solids, resulting in a creamy sweet product. Chocolate chips, small chunks of chocolate, often used in baking cookies, muffins, and other desserts. Chocolate are solid pieces of chocolate, often mixed with nuts, fruits, or other ingredients. Cocoa nibs, crushed roasted cacao beans used as a topping or ingredient in baking and cooking. Hot chocolate mix, a powdered blend of cocoa powder, sugar, and sometimes milk powder used to make hot chocolate drinks. Chocolate syrup, a thick sweet syrup made from cocoa powder, sugar, and water, often used as a topping for desserts or in beverages. Cacao tea, a tea-like beverage made by steeping cacao husks or nibs in hot water, offering a mild chocolate flavor. Chocolate truffles, rich creamy confections made from a ganache center coated in cocoa powder, chocolate, or nuts. Chocolate fondue, melted chocolate used for dipping fruits, marshmallows, or other treats. Chocolate spread, a smooth, creamy spread made from chocolate and often nuts, used on bread or in baking. Cacao liqueur, a sweet alcoholic beverage flavored with cacao, used in cocktails and desserts. Chocolate ice cream, ice cream flavored with cocoa powder or melted chocolate, often mixed with chocolate chips or swirls. Chocolate-covered nuts fruits, nuts or dried fruits coated in a layer of chocolate, available as snacks or confectionery. Cacao butter soap, a moisturizing soap made with cacao butter known for its rich, creamy texture. Chocolate mousse, a light, airy dessert made from whipped chocolate, cream, and eggs. Cacao paste, a thick, dense paste made from ground cacao beans used in artisanal chocolate making or as an ingredient in cooking. Here are some cacao-based cosmetic products. Cocoa butter lotion, a moisturizing lotion that uses cocoa butter to hydrate and soften the skin, often used to improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of scars and stretch marks. Cacao face mask, a facial treatment mask made with cacao powder or cocoa butter, known for its antioxidant properties, which help to nourish and rejuvenate the skin. Cocoa butter lip balm, a lip balm formulated with cocoa butter to moisturize and protect the lips, providing a smooth, soft texture and relief from dryness. Cacao body scrub, an exfoliating body scrub made with cacao ingredients to remove dead skin cells and leave the skin smooth and refreshed.